Having a key message that talks about how long you've been in business for or the exceptionally great customer service you offer probably isn't telling customers what they're looking to hear when they're searching for your business. Hey everyone, it's Mike here from Reaction, and in this video, we're talking all about creating a branded key message that truly connects with your most ideal customers. This is our third video in our behind the scenes series where I take you along the journey of my agency's rebrand. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna link to the previous two videos in the description down below. Now let's get into it. In order to best describe what a branded key message is, we first need to break down what customers are actually looking for when searching for a business. Now, beneath the surface, and this applies to just about every company on the planet, but when a customer is searching for your business, they typically have three things on their mind. First, they have a problem, and they want to know if you understand the problem that they have. Two, they want you to demonstrate to them that you have experience solving the very specific problem that they have. And three, they want you to tell them what success is going to look like, how their life will be improved if they choose to do business with you. If you're a plumber, a distressed customer wants to know if you offer 24/7 on-call service, if you're qualified to fix their brand of hot water heater, and ultimately, they want to know if you're able to prevent their basement from flooding. If you're a busy restaurant owner, your customers want to know if your food is healthy, do you offer delivery, and if they stop in for lunch, can they get out in 30 minutes so they can get back to work on time? Having a key message that talks about how long you've been in business for or the exceptionally great customer service you offer probably isn't telling customers what they're looking to hear when they're searching for your business. And that's because most businesses make the critical mistake of thinking that they are the hero for their customers and that their products or services are going to lead their customers to success. But here's a tip. We know that people love a great story. We've been talking about storytelling and marketing for years, but people especially love a story when it's about them. They love a story where they are the hero. Now, there are many ways to craft a branded key message, but here at Reaction, we love Donald Miller's story brand framework because it flips the narrative. It positions your client as the hero of the story, and you as the business are the guide that will lead them to success. The story brand framework follows the exact same process that's been used in storytelling and literature for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Even think of just about any popular movie of today, from Star Wars to James Bond. They all follow a very similar storytelling strategy. One that starts with a character, our hero. And we all know that every hero needs a villain, a problem to solve. And along their journey, our hero is going to meet their guide. A guide who's going to give them a plan that will ultimately call them to action, helping them avoid failure, and the result is going to be a happy ending for everyone involved. So before we get into our new branded key message, let me first tell you what our current key message is right now. So if you were to come up to me today and say, "Hey Mike, what do you do?" I would say, well, most business owners struggle to keep up with everything it takes to promote their business in 2021. Our team of designers, developers, writers, and strategists are here to help you make, manage, and measure your marketing so that you can focus on doing what you love, which is running and growing your business. Now, this is a great key message. There's nothing wrong with it, and it worked with us for many years. But our most ideal customer today isn't looking for a general marketing firm. They're looking for a digital agency that specializes in websites and branding to bring enormous value to their online presence. So before I get into our new key message, first I need you to remember Rich, Sam, and Max. They're the audience personas that we covered in one of the previous videos, and that's going to be important because this branded key message is for them. So let's break this down. Our clients are the main character in this story. They're the hero, and our hero's problems run deep. They're facing more demand than ever from their customers to do business online, but they have less time than ever to figure it all out. Along their journey, our hero meets my agency, Reaction, who shows them a plan for success and calls them to action by having them book a virtual meeting with my team to get started. The work we do together and the results we're able to achieve will launch our clients to success, their business will grow and they can make big things happen online. So as you can see, making big things happen online is the controlling idea in our new branded key message. Are you ready for it? Most successful business owners struggle to take full advantage of their online opportunities. We're a digital agency dedicated to guiding them through strategy, branding, and web development so they can make big things happen online. So that's it. That's our new branded key message. To go along with it, we also have a very comprehensive document that breaks down exactly how to effectively communicate with our clients at each of the 7 steps in the StoryBrand framework. So now when we're writing website content, social media posts, or even a script for a video like this one, we now have a comprehensive storytelling framework that positions our clients as the hero and reaction as the guide that's dedicated to helping them make big things happen online. All right, that's it. That's a branded key message. You know, this video has been a ton of fun to make, and it's been awesome peeling back the curtain and taking you along the journey of my agency's brand refresh. And this is a really similar process that you'd go through if you were branding a company for the very first time. We've got a bunch more videos planned in this series, so make sure to subscribe to our channel to follow along, and go ahead and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We'd appreciate it. In our previous videos, we've already covered what happened in 2020 that sparked these changes. We talked about our audience personas and how those have changed, and now you've seen our branded key message. In the next one, I'm going to be doing a real-time audit of our current website and branding. I'll talk you through some of the challenges and let you know what we plan to improve through this process. You won't want to miss it, so I'll see you in the next one.